Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best small drones reviews in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Potensic A20 Quadcopter, great for learning. When you are looking for a drone that is durable and appropriate for all ages, this Potensic drone is ideal. It's particularly good for families looking to make heading out into nature and flying a drone part of the fun routine. You can also use this drone when flying indoors. Because the propellers have shrouds protecting them, you don't need to worry about crashing the way you would with other mini drones. Though the price point is low, it is deceptive because there are a number of great features built into it. There are 3 speed settings, and you can control altitude as well. The headless mode is an option on this mini drone too. Because there are a lot of safeguards built into this particular model, you can't worry too much about the different pitfalls that come with learning how to fly a mini drone. Pros: ideal drone for beginners, as it's built to withstand crashes. Controls for altitude help newbies avoid basic flight problems. Unbeatable price point compared to other drones. Cons: mini drone lacks a camera, is for flight only. The charging time is a bit long compared to similar models. Features: altitude control and headless mode. 30-minute charging time. 7-minute flying time. Includes extra propeller blades, USB cable. Uses 3 AAA batteries for the transmitter. Number 2. Our second best pick is DJI Spark, what money can buy. Having a mini drone means that you are trying to be smart with your money, but if you have a larger budget then you can get some amazing features. This mini drone is one of those cases. This mini allows you to do a lot of different things, including having one of the best cameras available and a long flight time. One of the biggest complaints that many drone pilots have is that pictures are not stable. This mini drone offers a dual-axis gimbal that keeps the mini drone in a stable position while you take photos and video. The camera itself is also quite powerful. With the ability to capture 12-megapixel photos and 1080p HD videos, it is just as impressive as cameras on smartphones. The sport mode allows you to get up to speeds of roughly 30 miles per hour. Navigating is easy thanks to GPS systems and vision capability, and the system that detects 3-dimensional obstructions keeps you from running into things. With 5 different colors, there are options galore with this mini drone. Some other features that make mini drone flight great include the face-aware system, which recognizes your face and assists in takeoff. Gesture mode lets you use your hands and get the attention of the mini drone, and you can frame off pictures. Safe landing is a system that takes the guesswork out of the hardest part of mini drone flight. Number 3. Our third best pick is Tello mini drone, big results, small design. Having great components is a key to success with any item that is computerized, and the Tello mini drone is one of the best examples of this. With component parts from Intel and DJI, there are great software programs that allow these mini drones to fly with great effectiveness and responsiveness. The lightweight and durable design of the mini drone ensures that you can have fun flying it without worrying too much about any damage that could come from a crash. Though the mini drone is small, it's a great way to get kids involved with the hobby. There are features like auto takeoff and landing which take the guesswork out of 2 of the most difficult things to do with a mini drone. There is also fail-safe protection. This is when your mini drone safely lands even when you lose power and connection with the controller. Taking pictures is great fun with the mini drone's camera that has 720p HD and 5-megapixel capability. This means that you will have some exceptional footage to remember your forays into mini drone flight. There are several other software features built in that make sharing video incredibly easy. In fact, with this mini drone, it is very easy to stay connected to all things and memorialize all the fun you and your family have with it. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Altair AA108 HD. Fun awaits. Many people love to fly drones and mini drones because of their ability to take unmatched photos and video. Indeed, when looking at the world through the camera of a mini drone, you can see things quite differently than what you originally thought you were looking at. The Altair camera has a wide-angle 120-degree camera rated at 720p HD. Taking high-definition pictures and video with this mini drone is not simply a possibility, it is a routine on every flight. While it may seem difficult to pilot such a piece of equipment, the mini drone's durability is perfectly suited for novice pilots. There are 3 different skill levels embedded into the controller. There is a takeoff button, and you can hover with altitude holding technology. With the ability to create your own flight plan, you can take all the guesswork out of navigation. The battery life is a top feature for this mini drone. With a life of 10 minutes, you get more flight out of this mini drone than you would many others at the same price point. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is DROCON Scouter ergonomic and fun. In terms of being compact and portable, it doesn't get much more convenient than the DROCON. This foldable design is favored not just by manufacturers but mini drone enthusiasts as well. With the controller working as a case to carry the mini drone as well, you can be wildly efficient when taking your mini drone out into nature to take some amazing pictures and video. You can use your smartphone for viewing of FPV transmissions, and with 3 different speed modes, you are in control of your learning curve on this mini drone. The LED searchlight in the front of the mini drone is perfect for night flying. You will see exactly where you are going. Finally, when you use the altitude hold, along with one-button takeoff and headless mode, you'll see how this mini drone makes flying easier. The one-touch function button ensures that your mini drone can spin and hover at the same altitude as well. This mini drone has loads of features and includes VR capability as well. The bottom line is, you are getting a lot for your money with this particular model. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.